A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome you all to today's class. So my dear students, we were doing module 6, right? So I hope you have read the chapter that we have learned till now. So can you tell me what topic we have done in our last class? We have started articles, right? So who can tell me what are articles? Articles are the words that point out noun or a group of noun, right? Okay, so my dear students, before doing the textual exercises, let's do a quick summarization of what we have done in our last class, right? In our last class, we have learnt about nouns. Yeah, we have learned about two types of noun that are the proper noun and the common noun. Right, so in proper noun we have learned that the proper nouns are the names that we give to a particular person, to a special person, place, animal or thing. Am I right? Coming back to the common nouns are the names given in general to any person, place, animal or thing. Yes, and also common nouns help us to know that whether the noun is in a singular form or in a plural form. Giving an instance of it like house, houses. Yes, so we all know that the common nouns are the names that we give to a person, place or animal in general, right? So house is a name that we have given in general to that type of house, right? So when we say that common nouns help us to know whether the noun is in a singular or in a plural form. So when we say house we are talking about only a single house, right? When we say houses, here we are talking about more than one, right? So common noun help us to know whether the noun is in a singular form or in a plural form. Now coming to articles. As I told, articles are the words that help us to point, yes, a noun or a group of noun, right? If I say this, an apple, yes, I love to eat an apple. Yeah, Ravi is eating an apple. Yeah, so when we say an apple, we are talking about only one apple, right? So my dear students, in our last class, we have also discussed about the alphabets that we have in English. I told that there are 26 alphabets. Am I right? So out of 26 alphabets, 5 are 26 alphabets, right? So out of 25, 5 are vowels. Yes, that are A, E, I, O, U. And the rest 21 are consonants. Consonants. Am I right? Okay. So my dear students, articles A, N, the. These are the three articles, right? So article N is used always before a vowel sound. Okay, and the article A is used before a consonant sound. Got it? And the article D we always use with a specific or a unique object or thing. The thing that we have already mentioned in our previous lines, or we have talked about it previously. In such situations we use the to denote the noun again. Got it? Okay, so my dear students, articles are of two types. I have mentioned it. One is the definite article and the other is the indefinite article. So indefinite article, the article the false, right? And the indefinite article, the articles a and false. Okay. What are indefinite articles now? Indefinite articles are not known, not clear, not sure about. Okay, definite articles, the. When we talk about something very clear, known, sure or exact. Got it? Okay. So my dear students, as I told that we use article N before any vowel sound. Okay, but now check out an example. When I say we use N before a vowel sound. So Honest. Honest. What should we put here? A or N? In here we'll put N. Yes, as I told that N is used before a vowel sound. So when we say honest, we are pronouncing the vowel O, isn't it? Honest. We are not saying honest. Am I right? For example, one another, an, R. Yes, we are not saying an, her. We are talking about R, but in here O is pronounced. The spelling is H-O-U-R. Okay. So my dear students, as I told that an is used before a vowel or a vowel sound. Don't think that, okay, in here H is there. Yeah, it cannot be an. Yeah, it depends on the sound that you create. Got it? Like honest, are. Yes? Okay. So articles are the words that point out nouns or group of nouns. There are three articles in English: a and the. Right? A is used before singular words that begins with consonant sound. For example, a tree, a man, a uniform. When we say a uniform, now you just check out this, a uniform. Now you can think that, okay, ma'am said that a vowel, the article an is used before a vowel or vowel sound. And in here, U is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Right? But when we say uniform, we are not only pronouncing U, we are pronouncing U, Y-O-U. Yes, and this U is a consonant sound. Got it? For that reason, when we say uniform, we always use A before a uniform, as we are not looking at the letters. Okay, that whether it is a vowel or a consonant, but we are focusing on the sounds, that whether the word is a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Got it? An is used before singular words that begins with a vowel sound. The letter, the first letter may be or may not be A-E-I-O-U. So when we use the article an, it doesn't matter the first letter, it may be a vowel. Only it matters that whether the word is of a vowel sound. Got it? For example, an X-ray, an umbrella, an elephant. Now coming again to the example, an X-ray. Okay, so when we say an X-ray, the spelling is X-R-A-Y. So X is a consonant letter. Yes, it's a consonant. But it sounds X-E-X. X-ray. For that purpose, we are using here an X-ray, not a X-ray. Got it? Hope it's clear, my dear students. One more time I'm reading what are article A and article N. Okay, please listen to it carefully. A is used before a singular word. So article A and article N is used always before a singular noun that begins with consonant sound. The article A is always used before a consonant sound and when the noun is in a singular form. For example, a tree, a pencil, a man, a uniform. Got it? Coming to article N. An article is used before singular words that begins with a vowel sound. The first letter may or may not be A, E, I, O, U. Got it? The example that we have just given is an X-ray. The letter doesn't start with a vowel. Yes. For example, an X-ray, an umbrella, an elephant. Got it? Coming to the article D now. The article D is used for the following cases. Before a word that has mentioned earlier. In the beginning itself, I told the noun that we have already talked about. Yes, or we have mentioned it. In such cases we use the article the. Is used before that has been mentioned earlier. Example, I met a girl on the bus. The girl was a swimming champion. Yes, as I have already mentioned about the girl in my first sentence, we are talking about the girl. So I met a girl in the bus, and the girl whom I have met is a very big swimming champion. Got it? Before the word that is unique, which is very unique object or a thing, like the sun, the moon, yeah, or as I have told that day itself that we use the before the famous monuments, yes, like the Red Fort, the India Gate, yes, and also before the names of book, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, yes, okay, before the names of rivers, mountains, seas, and so on. So we also use the article the before the names of the mountains. I told that the Himalayas, yeah, the river Ganga, the Yamuna, yes, got it, the Brahmaputra. Hope you are clear till here, yes. So what are the definite and indefinite articles now? We have definite and indefinite articles, as articles are divided into two parts. Okay, definite and indefinite articles. Let's come to page number 63. So, definite and indefinite article. Imagine that you have a plate of biscuits in front of you. There are many types of biscuits: salty biscuits, coconut biscuits, chocolate chip biscuits, and so on. Now, let us use these biscuits to understand the difference between a definite article and an indefinite article. Okay, suppose when I say biscuit, biscuit is a common noun, right? It may be any biscuit. It may be a chocolate biscuit, it may be a salty biscuit. Yes, but when we talk about a particular biscuit, okay, when we say that I want the chocolate chip biscuit, I'm talking about a definite biscuit that I want to eat. I'm not talking as a whole. Okay, if I say that yes, you can give me any biscuits that you have. So in here, I'm talking about any biscuits that you are having with you, you can offer me that. But when I say that my salty biscuit, so I'm pointing out here only one particular biscuit, that please give me the salty biscuit that you have with you. Yes. Okay, just check out. I want a biscuit. I want the chocolate chip biscuit. The first sentence is about any of the biscuits that are on the plate. Yeah, so we use the definite article a. Give me any biscuit, or give me a biscuit. It may be any. Right. The second sentence is about a particular or definite biscuit. So we use the definite article the. Got it? Yes? Okay. So my dear students, I hope you have understood here what are articles, where to use the article a, where to use the article an, and where to use the article the or the. So in here, my dear students, let's start the textual exercises. I hope you have understood it clearly. And one more thing I have to say, that as article a is used for both article a and an is used for singular noun, the article the is used for both singular and plural nouns. Okay, so coming to the textual exercises. So my dear students, before moving to the textual exercise, let's check out one more instance, as we were talking about article the, right? So my dear students, the article the is pronounced in two ways. Okay, so what are they? One is pronounced as the, isn't it? And one is pronounced as the. So where we pronounce and where we use the article the and the. The article the is pronounced as the when we talk about or speak about any vowel sound, like the antelope, the insect, the umbrella. Okay, so article the is pronounced as the when we have any consonant sound, like the tree, the shop, and the dress. Got it? So there are two pronunciation of the article the. One is the and one is the. Yeah, so the is used with the vowel sound and the is used with the consonant sound. So hope you have understood it. So my dear students, please come to exercise now. Turn to page number 61. The first exercise is exercise 3.1. Match the pictures to the correct article. One is done for you. So what you have to do, we have already done the articles. I hope your concept is clear regarding the articles. So exercise 3.1 you will be doing by yourself. Okay, you have to do that by yourself. Coming to exercise 3.2 now. Color the articles with the correct articles and complete the sentence. So what you have to do, you have to color the correct article. She ate only an ice cream for lunch. So which is the correct article here? An ice cream, yeah, because it's a vowel sound. Okay, the coming to second is, my friend gifted me a small car on my birthday. So here we are talking about a singular object, right? So what it will be? A small toy. Now coming to number 3, Rita eats an egg every day. So what will be it? The or an? Egg, isn't it? So what it will be? It will be an. Yeah, it starts with the vowel. Number 4, let us go to the school playground. So what it will be? Let us go to the school playground. It will be not the school playground, it will be the school playground. As I told that it is pronounced as the whenever we have a consonant sound, right? Coming to number 5, Ram has an large box of chocolate. So what will be the correct article? A large box of chocolates, right? Coming to number 6, we visited the gateway of India when we were in Mumbai. Yeah, so what will be the correct article? The gateway. Yes, we are talking about monuments, the unique things, right? Okay, coming to number 3 now. The following sentence have incorrect articles. Rewrite the sentences by using the correct article. Piyush has an pet dog at home. Would it be the article an, or it should be a? It should be a, yes, as it's a consonant sound and we are talking about only one singular animal. Piyush has a pet dog at home. My uncle had a long life. So the correct article is here a. My uncle had a long life. The necklace that Imran is wearing looks lovely. The necklace that Imran is wearing looks lovely. We are talking about a special thing here, yeah, and we are pointing out about a definite thing. That's the necklace. Dennis is a simple man with a unique point of view. So what will be here? Dennis is a simple man with a unique point of view. I have told why it will be a before unique, a before uniform. Why? Because we pronounce it U, which is a consonant sound. It's not a vowel sound. No doubt the first letter is a vowel, but its pronunciation is U, which is a consonant. So in here, Dennis is a simple man with a unique point of view. Got it? Coming to number 5, great storms occur in a southern part of India. So what will be the correct article here? Great storms occur in the southern part of India. It will be the southern part of India. We are talking about a specific or a definite part of India, right? So in here it will be the southern part. Got it, my dear students? So here we have one more exercise, that is exercise 3.4 in page number 64. So my dear student, it is your homework. So exercise 3.1 and 3.4 you have to do it as your homework. Okay, so what is the exercise here? Underline the articles, then write I for indefinite articles and D for the definite article in each sentence. So you have to write down I and D against each sentence. If the sentence is in indefinite, put I. If it's definite, put D. Got it? Okay, so my dear students, in our next class we will be doing the formal writing. Okay, so that part we will do in our next class. I hope it's clear. We have done the summarization where we have learned what are articles. Articles are the words that points out noun or a group of noun. There are three articles, a and the. Yes, and articles are divided into two parts. The first part is definite and the second is the indefinite. So in indefinite article, article a and an false, which are used for the singular noun. Yes, and also article a is used before a consonant sound and article an is used before a vowel sound. Coming to the definite article is the, yes, which is used for a definite thing. Anything it may be which we have talked earlier or which is very unique thing. Got it? And also the pronunciation of the and the, we have learned about it. The pronunciation the we use always with the consonant sound and the we use with the vowel sound. Got it? So I hope you are just clear with all your doubts, and I think so the concept of article is clear. So my dear students, in our next class we will be doing the I write section. Please read it thoroughly. If there is any problem, again I'm repeating, you can call me, you can tell me, we can revisit the chapter. Got it? So my dear students, that's all for today. It's a wrap. Thank you and have a nice day.